Good morning, friends. I am Dr. Praveen Kumar Jadhav from Venkateshwara Academy. This is a series of video which I am making for everyone to understand what do we do at our Kickstart program. So if you see, I have given three pictures. One of them is talking about cross-section of Brazil physiography. The other one is about physiography, natural vegetation and wildlife. So this graph you have in your book, have you could you make out the meaning of these graphs and how are these graphs related to the Brazil? So if you can understand a very simple fact that actually this graph is like this. It talks about Guyana highlands, then it talks about Amazon basin, then you have got a Paraguay Parana Basin. Then you have got Brazilian highlands. You have also got a broad quadrilateral. Then you have got an escarpment over here. And then you have got coastal Brazil. This is what this map is all about. So once we understand this, that this is how the graph has been placed, then everything is easily understood. We can see that we have got high rainfalls in high Guyana region because the elevation is high. We know that this is equator. So because equator is here, in Amazon basin, you get lots of rainfall. But at the same time, the temperature is also high. As you move further in this direction, you've got a region where it is a little bit more elevated, but the rainfall is orographic rainfall. So why do you get a orographic rainfall over here is the winds get reflected from Andes, come this side and cause orographic rainfall over here. In the equatorial region, it is equatorial rainfall, whereas in this region, it is orographic rainfall. So again, the rainfall is high. As we move up in Brazilian highlands, we see that the rainfall is less because when we see the winds are flowing from this direction and the orographic rainfall happens only in this region. This is a rain shadow region and that is why rainfall is less. Whereas as we reach escarpment, where again the elevation is high, rainfall is more and after that you have got a coastal area. Again, we can see that at equator, the temperature is highest, then it is highest at your drought quadrilateral, and then it is in between as far as your Guyana highland is concerned, and also Paraguay Parana basin. And it is in between where you have Brazilian highlands. So now considering this, it is very easy to understand because lot of rainfall is there. We have got equatorial forests over there because it rains every day and then they have got big leaves and it is easier to understand. We have got deciduous forest because this is because of seasonal rains. That is why they have a season where they lose all their leaves. So that is why deciduous forest. These are temperate forests because again they are away from the equator and also have less amount of rainfall. So we have got temperate rainfall forests over here. And these are coastal plains which we already know. And since these are tropical equatorial region, we find the equator reptiles, arboreal, aquatic animals because of a big river flowing over here. We have got grasslands because there are deciduous forest in this region. Then we have got reptiles and because you have got a drought quadrilateral, you have got an area which has got less amount of rainfall. So you find more reptiles over here. So it becomes very easy to remember if we understand what the graph is. This was just a small glimpse of how we do it, but we do it in a more systematic way so that we are able to understand each and every part of our textbook. So hope to see you in my kick course. See you soon. Bye bye.